The sky is just beginning to lighten over the harbor. It is still dark. This is the time when European lobster boats start their engines. Fishermen ready themselves for another day at sea. The air is crisp, carrying the scent of salt and the promise of a good catch. These men are embarking on a journey. It's a journey driven by tradition, skill, and the pursuit of one of the ocean's most prized delicacies, the European lobster. The boats, often passed down through generations, cut through the calm waters. They leave behind a trail of white foam. Each vessel carries the weight of experience and the hopes of a family. The fishermen, with weathered faces and calloused hands, navigate these familiar waters. They follow routes charted by their forefathers and guided by the secrets of the sea. As the sun climbs higher, casting a warm glow on the horizon, the real work begins. The fishermen know that every day at sea is a gamble. They are dependent on the whims of nature, but there's a quiet confidence in their movements. Their ancestors have been fishing these waters for centuries. They know that the ocean, while a demanding mistress, can also be bountiful. Each lobster trap deployed, each haul brought aboard is a testament to their enduring legacy. The promise of lobster treasures awaits them beneath the waves. The fishermen are ready to face the challenges of the day. They know that the rewards of their labor will be enjoyed on dinner plates across Europe. They are participating in a tradition that connects them to the sea, their families, and the generations that came before them. They are European lobster fishermen, and this is their story. Before the fishermen can set their traps, there's a ritual to be performed. This ritual involves the meticulous preparation of the lobster pots. These ingenious contraptions are more than just cages, they're carefully designed tools, crafted with precision and purpose. These tools have been honed over generations, with each tweak and adjustment passed down through the years. They effectively target and capture lobsters while ensuring their sustainability, a balance that is crucial for the ecosystem. The pots, typically made of sturdy wire or wood and netting, are checked and rechecked for any signs of wear and tear. Any damage from previous trips or encounters with marine life is meticulously repaired to ensure the pots are in perfect condition. The fishermen know that a compromised pot means a lost opportunity, and potentially a lost catch. It might even lead to harm to the lobsters inside, which is something they strive to avoid. Every knot is tested and every entrance is inspected with a critical eye to ensure it functions perfectly. The bait is the heart of the lobster pot, the essential element that lures the crustaceans in. It's what draws the lobsters into the trap, guided by their keen sense of smell. Fishermen are selective in their choice of bait, understanding that the right bait can make all the difference. They often use oily fish like herring or mackerel, which emit a strong scent that travels far underwater, attracting lobsters from a distance. The bait is carefully secured inside the pot, ensuring it stays in place. This ensures that it will last for several days, maximizing the chances of a successful catch. This careful preparation maximizes the chances of a successful catch, making every effort worthwhile. The preparation of the lobster pots is a task that requires focus and dedication. This task is approached with reverence, as each pot represents a connection to their heritage and livelihood. It is a skill passed down through generations, from father to son, uncle to nephew, ensuring the tradition continues. Young boys, eager to learn the trade, watch and absorb every detail, understanding the importance of each step. They are taught to tie the knots, bait the traps, and respect the tools of their trade, learning the nuances of the craft. Through this time-honored ritual, the legacy of European lobster fishing is passed on, ensuring the tradition continues to thrive and evolve. The loaded pots, stacked neatly on the deck, represent both the fishermen's hopes and their respect for the sea, a testament to their hard work. Each pot is a testament to their heritage, a symbol of their connection to the ocean. Each one is a silent promise to protect the delicate balance of the marine ecosystem that sustains them, a commitment to sustainability. With the pots ready, the fishermen set their sights on the open water, prepared for the challenges ahead. They are prepared to lay their traps and tempt the lobsters from their underwater domains, continuing a tradition that has sustained their communities for generations. With the lobster pots carefully prepared and meticulously checked for any potential issues and loaded aboard, the fishermen steer their boats further out to sea, often before the first light of dawn. They head to their chosen fishing grounds, guided by both experience and instinct. These grounds are areas known to be rich in lobster populations, teeming with marine life. These grounds are often passed down through generations of fishermen, each adding their own knowledge to the collective wisdom. They hold the secrets to a bountiful catch, secrets that are shared through stories and maps. The process of setting the traps is a delicate one, requiring both skill and patience. It demands precision and a deep understanding of the ocean floor and the behavior of lobsters, which can vary with the seasons and tides. Using a combination of traditional knowledge and modern technology, like GPS and sonar, the fishermen can pinpoint the best locations. The fishermen locate the ideal spots to deploy their traps, ensuring they are placed in the most promising areas. They look for rocky bottoms, crevices, and underwater formations where lobsters like to hide, as these are the places lobsters feel most secure. Lobsters are creatures of habit, often returning to the same hiding spots, and experienced fishermen can predict their movements with remarkable accuracy, knowing when and where they are most likely to be found. Once a suitable location is found, the lobster pot is carefully lowered into the water, ensuring it lands gently on the ocean floor. It is attached to a buoy marked with the fisherman's identification, a crucial step in the process. The buoy acts as a marker, allowing the fishermen to return to the exact spot days later to retrieve their catch, ensuring no traps are lost. The pots are strategically spaced apart to avoid tangling and to maximize their effectiveness, covering a larger area. As the trap descends into the depths, it becomes an artificial reef, attracting a variety of marine life, creating a mini ecosystem. The scent of the bait wafts through the water, enticing lobsters from their hiding places, drawing them closer. They are drawn to the promise of an easy meal, unable to resist the lure of the bait. They cautiously approach the trap, their natural curiosity leading them inside. It is designed to allow easy entry but makes escape nearly impossible, ensuring the lobsters remain inside. The art of setting lobster traps is a delicate dance between man and nature, a balance that must be maintained. It requires a deep understanding of the ocean's rhythms, the behavior of its inhabitants, and the importance of preserving the delicate balance of the marine ecosystem, ensuring sustainability. Each trap deployed is a testament to the fishermen's skill, their respect for the sea, and their commitment to sustainable fishing practices, ensuring the future of their livelihood and the health of the ocean. European lobster fishermen are not just hunters, they are also guardians of the sea, deeply connected to the marine environment they depend on. They understand that the future of their livelihood depends on the health and sustainability of lobster populations, and they take this responsibility seriously. To ensure the longevity of this valuable resource, strict regulations and conservation efforts are in place, enforced by both government bodies and the fishermen themselves. These measures are crucial in protecting the future of lobster fishing for generations to come, ensuring that the knowledge and traditions can be passed down. One of the most critical regulations is the minimum landing size, which helps maintain a healthy breeding population. Lobsters smaller than this size are carefully returned to the sea, giving them the opportunity to mature and reproduce. This ensures that they have a chance to grow and reproduce, contributing to the overall health and sustainability of the population. Egg-bearing females are also strictly protected, as they are vital for the continuation of the species. They are returned to the water to safeguard the next generation of lobsters, ensuring a steady supply of new life. The use of escape gaps in lobster pots is another crucial conservation measure designed to protect juvenile lobsters and other marine creatures. These gaps allow smaller lobsters and other marine life to escape, reducing the impact on non-target species and promoting a balanced ecosystem. This prevents unintentional bycatch and minimizes the impact on non-target species, ensuring that the marine environment remains diverse and healthy. The fishermen themselves are often at the forefront of conservation efforts, actively participating in initiatives to protect their industry. They are actively involved in monitoring lobster populations, reporting illegal fishing activities, and participating in research programs to better understand and manage the resource. These fishermen understand that their livelihood depends on the responsible management of this valuable resource, and they are committed to sustainable practices. They are committed to ensuring that future generations can enjoy the bounty of the sea, passing on their knowledge and passion for conservation. Their dedication to sustainability is not just good for the environment, it's also good for business, ensuring a stable and profitable industry. By protecting lobster populations, they are ensuring the long-term viability of their industry, creating a sustainable future for all. The regulations and conservation efforts in place are a testament to the commitment of European lobster fishermen to preserving the delicate balance of the marine ecosystem, working hand in hand with authorities. They recognize that their legacy depends on responsible fishing practices, and they are proud to play their part in safeguarding the future of this iconic species, ensuring that the sea remains bountiful for generations to come.